Are you new to this city? Then this video is perfect for you. We have created a list of best places to see in this city with the help of our users' feedback and travel experts' research. I'm sure if you watch this video completely, you will save a lot of time while traveling in this city. For more information, you can log on to our website, that is travelshastra.com. Our responding completely. If you like the video, please click on like button. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you have any suggestion regarding other list of best places to see in the city, please do write us in the comment box area. Please check out our latest video uploaded for you and a video that you may like. Once again, please subscribe our YouTube channel.